Here's a little drink on Dave's Cooking Show to start off your Christmas morning, a Christmas Mimosa. What you want to do is put a little splash of triple sec into a champagne flute. Then you want to roughly measure out 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Make sure you spill on the counter. That is very important. Give that a little wipe. And last but not least, we need to get the champagne out. And I think if you can see in the shadow, when I actually pop the cork, it's going to just shoot the fuck out. Sorry, I had to run to go grab it so the dog doesn't get it. And then you just want to pour the champagne in, about 2 ounces, maybe a little bit more. And that's it. Christmas Mimosa. Done.